Hi everyone. So today we have Hitachi 462 model. It's from 1990s, in great cosmetic condition, and also we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. And it actually sounds amazing. Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Let's see how it looks in the dark. As usual, camera don't focus very well. It's a lot more lights here. You will see better in the pictures. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch band mode from FM to middle waves or long waves. So simply press the band button.
Bluetooth mode.
Now, middle waves means Bluetooth is activated. Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds. Here it is.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, that's it. Bluetooth is activated now. Let's go to YouTube and play any music you want. Really simple to use. Let's try another song. Cool, right? When you want to back to normal radio, simply press band button again to go back to FM mode. Once again, now FM mode. That's it, you're back on radio. Okay guys, thumbs up.